Hell
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Today we just got a quick unboxing, quick review. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, all right? So today we are going to do a quick review of the rain trimmer from Stylecraft. Shout out to Stylecraft. They actually sent this to me a little while ago. And I have been using it, but kind of on and off. But lately I've been using it a little bit more, trying to get good use of it and see how I really feel about it, right? So this is, again, the rain trimmer, $189 on their website, all right? It comes with the brushless motor, the fixed diamond black blade, of course, easy to adjust, 3.5 hours of runtime, ergonomical thumb grip, 7,200 RPM, open skeleton design, and USB-C charger, right? This is the packaging, the box. I had this, I've been using it. So, but you open the box, that's what you're gonna get. Take the trimmer out. The accessories that you do get, you get the cleaning brush and the oil. You get the USB-C charger. Of course, it does not come with a block, but based off of everything, you probably have a block. The charging cord. There you go. Hook into a block as well. Screwdriver, and that's pretty much it. This does not come with a charging block, which that's one thing that I don't like. If you're not gonna give us a charging dock, a charging block would be okay to have just in there. You know what I'm saying? I understand since everybody using the same USB, USB-C, all that, you probably have one. And I'm guessing you banking on, the companies are banking on everyone having one. I mean, even Apple and the new phones don't come with charging blocks, right? You can find those anywhere, which is cool, right? But once it comes to a clipper, having a charging dock or a block would be okay, right? But nonetheless, it does not come with a charging dock, but they do sell a charging dock separately for $20, $21, something like that. So $189 for the trimmer, another $20, $21 for the charging dock if you need a charging dock, which will bring it to $210 for the whole package. It don't come with any extra color variables or anything like that, so it's just a fixed trimmer. This is the design, which I do like it. It's small. I don't mind the graffiti style writing on the for the design. Thumb print right here where you going against, or fingerprint. Very quiet. I'm talking about very quiet. This has been one of the quietest trimmers I've been using. It helps very well, like with kids, anyone with special needs, people that don't like that vibrating or that loud noise next to their ear. Very nice. It does come with the diamond cut blade. I have not been the biggest fan of the diamond cut blade. It works at times, but there's times where it kind of just drags against the skin, right? So fresh out the box, I've not set the blade or anything, but fresh out the box, I've been able to get decent lines, especially after I've been using it for a while. I've been able to get some pretty good lines. It seems to work better on the move, right? Going against the C cups or going into the beard curving, using that point around the ears, it works very smoothly. Going against the grain, whether you balding out or anything like that, on the move like that, it seems to work very cool. I guess it's that fast motion that it's not having time to actually tag on or snag on anything. But when you're trying to put in a line, especially on darker hair, or not darker hair, but thicker hair, once you're trying to put in a nice line, sometimes it kind of stalls on the skin and kind of gets snagged on some of the thicker hair. So you will have that problem running into, when you're using it. The best thing about this is the quietness of it, right? Like I said, using it on kids. If the kids that move too much, using something like this, that's a little bit louder against that going around the ear, it's irritating, right? This has been perfect to use, like I said, on kids, anyone with special needs. It's been amazing, right? This works amazing on sensitive skin, right? Up under the neck, behind the neck right here, putting that line back there, going against the skin back here. Again, I haven't set it, so working on how it is, it's been perfect. And I kind of don't want to mess with it because I'm able to get okay lines. So it's better to use it when it's something that I need versus trying to mess with the blade, which might make it louder, or mess with anything, or put another blade on it that might mess up what it already has in the package, right? Now, this is $189, right? Not a bad trimmer. $189 with no charging dock. This from Stylecraft is $169 with a charging dock. Now, of course, I've been telling y'all have known, go back in my videos when the Flex first came out, this has been on my station ever since. It has that gold blade on there, which moves smoother across skin, gives me better line, it's more precise. It's a little louder at times, but $20 cheaper than this, and you get a charging dock, and you get the extra, you can change the colors and all that if that's something that you do. Obviously, or if y'all know me, y'all know I don't do that often, but it is good to have that option, especially at the price point, right? This, is it worth, like, you know, my thing is always, is it worth the money? I think it actually is worth the $189. We are in a position where you don't really need a charging dock depending on what you use. I use a Tune 45, the charging station, which I don't use this charging dock either. I have the insert for the on the Tune 45, which also fits this as well. So if you got a charging dock like that, that's universal, where you can use, you know, different inputs and stuff like that, or you can just lay it on your station or lay it in the drawer and let it charge overnight. 3.5 hours of runtime. As far as the runtime, I have not had any problems with it. I've been using it. I mean, I charge it at night. I've been good, right? But my question again is always, is it worth the money? And it is worth the $189 even if you only use it for the sensitive skin or using it on your kids. I think it's worth the $189. The problem is they have better products with more accessories that's cheaper. So depending on what you're looking for, I mean, it's about the same length. I like this body style better with holding it. This is the Flex. I do like the grooves here on holding it. It just feels better in hand. This is not bad. It got the thumb imprints here. Got the thumb print here. It's a decent trimmer. So worth it? Yes. Is it something I would rush out and buy? No, because if you're looking for a charging dock, you would have to buy a charging dock. Also, that blade ain't gonna work for everybody, so you would end up buying another blade, which if you're using Stylecraft, you're probably gonna buy the gold blade, so you might as well get something that already comes with the blade, save you some money, all right? Again, worth the money. The blade, not a fan of it. Haven't been a fan of it since it came out, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the design here that they press all the way to the end that kind of messes up the motion. I know the coating of some blades, it just don't work. It's not bad. It works at times, especially like when I've been using this on people with, depending on the texture, a little thinner hair, something like that, it's been working perfectly. So I'm not gonna say it's completely out of it, but for me, if I was to buy this trimmer, I would end up getting another blade put on it. For me, I'm going to use it as is because of the kids that I have. I cut a lot of young kids with special needs, and I haven't had problems with using this versus me putting something up to their ear. Where's my putting this up to their ear? Now, I love this trimmer. That's a whole nother conversation. But when you got certain clients who don't like that, especially kids, again, kids is, you know, if you cut kids, I know a lot of barbers don't cut kids no more. I do. Don't have a problem with them. But if you want it, I say it's worth the money. You can use my discount code, Cuts By Reggie. Save a little bit more money. You know what I'm saying? Is it worth to buy? Yes. I won't say it's, let me slow down. It's worth the pricing. If you looking for it, if you like the design, if you want to get it, it's worth the buy. But if you're just looking for a trimmer to use and want to save you some money, get the Flex from Stylecraft, especially if you're looking at the Stylecraft website, which if you get the Flex, you can also use my discount code, save more money on that. All right. That's my quick rundown of the digital brushless motor ring trimmer. This in black though would even be better. That's has nothing to do with the performance. It's just the look. Diamond cut blade, all black. Have this in black, button black. You see that light up there would be fantastic. But yeah, that's my quick rundown. Yeah. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and I will return with another review, another unboxing, another something. Sometime. Peace.